In this video, I will teach you how to fix Elementor editor not loading. So if you're having this kind of problem, the first thing you need to do is to access your Elementor as well as your WordPress. So head over to wordpress.com and then click onto this get started right here or right here in order to create an account. But if you're already having this error, that must mean that you already have one. So head over and click onto this login option and then input right here your credentials in order to open your account. Now this is what my account looked like. Now in order to actually fix the editor not loading, the first step is to ensure that you're using the latest version of Elementor in WordPress. Now in here, in order to do this, you may need to head over right here to your Elementor option, or you can also head over to the plugins option and then go to installed plugins, and you can see in here the latest version of the Elementor that you have. As you can see, my version is 3.31.1, which is actually the latest version. Make sure as well that the auto updates is enabled and not disabled. Now in here, next thing you need to do is check for plugin and theme conflicts. So make sure to deactivate all of the plugin. For example, let's select this button right here in order to select everything and uncheck Elementor. And then let's deactivate them. Click onto this bulk options and then click onto this deactivate and click on apply. Now, if it actually fixes the Elementor editor, that must mean that one of the plugin is actually causing the Elementor to act out. Now, the next thing that we can do if that still doesn't solve your problem is you can head over and verify the PHP and memory of your Elementor. So Elementor requires specific PHP versions and memory limits. So you can consult for Elementor's documentation for their system requirements. You can increase the PHP limit by going to the wp-config.php file to your actual WordPress right here. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.